In this lesson, we'll talk about file types: PSD, JPEG, PNG, and PDF. A PSD is a Photoshop document. It's the native layered project file that preserves all of the editable elements, the layers and the masks, for future editing. This file can't be used on the web. You would need to flatten this file to create a JPEG or a PNG to show on the web. Let me show you how to do that. If we wanted to save this as a JPEG, go to File, Export, Save for Web. You'll notice that the image is really big. If you want to be able to see the image, you can click on the little minus here to zoom out, or you can press on the plus sign to zoom in. In the presets, click on the drop down for the menu, and we would go to JPEG High. You would change the quality right here. So it doesn't matter if you clicked on high, low, or medium. In the quality here, you can drag the slider to the right or the left to get what you're looking for in quality. And then you would click on the Save button. Now what this does is it takes the Photoshop document and it flattens all of these layers to make it just one layer as an image called a JPEG. So a JPEG is a web-friendly file. It's also referred to as JPEG without the E, so either way you write it is acceptable. Let's click on Cancel. A PNG supports transparency. Now, if I had a PSD with many layers with a see-through background, I could export this as a PNG, which is web-friendly, but a PNG supports transparency, making PNGs perfect for web graphics like logos and icons that require a sharp appearance on any colored background. And this is how you would export a PNG. File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. You would just name the file and press Save. It's a little bit easier than creating a JPEG. A PDF is a portable document format. PDFs are used as the standard for most documents with businesses. But the reason why PDFs are so powerful is they can contain multiple pages per document. To save an image as a PDF, you would do a File and then click on Save a Copy. When the dialog box opens up, go to Format and it's already there, Photoshop PDF. If you click on the drop-down, you can see a menu of other options. But we want to make a Photoshop PDF. You would click on Save. This dialog will pop up and just click on Save PDF. So those are the file types: PSD, JPEG, PNG, and PDF. Those file types are the most worked with files if you're an artist.